done it once or twice. Hello everybody, welcome. Follow this guy. The what? The Niue bodybuilder. Niue bodybuilder on YouTube. Let's go. And Niue.com. Let's go. This guy. And I don't know what my one is yet.
It's actually Whakalofatu Mako. I'm in the Formosa Ridges Golf Club out in Beachlands. Yeah, Wangahau Niue Trust has put on a 2-day workshop for Niue teachers, and because I teach out in the you know, we got our GI classes. I got a spot here to the golf club. This golf club feels like you're in not in New Zealand. It feels somewhere else. It feels like Miami. It's going good. Got my mum there, my sisters, Wilma and Sandy, they're teachers, and a whole lot of people. A whole lot of big dogs in the education sector. Check this out. Look at that. Damn. Feel like I'm in Florida.
Whakalofa lahi atu, tola he whakaue ko mai ke Whileweia he ahunai, koe ingoa hako ko Lolokini ki Motupavihi. So nice to be here at our very first Niue Whaiaonga, Niue Educators Retreat, hosted by Wangahau Niue Trust Halavaka. So today's session is really just to get all our Niue educators, especially here in Okalana, to hear, to listen, but also to take note of the sense of urgency in terms of what we can do as a collective to help keep our Wangahau Niue language alive and keep it utilized daily, but also strategies and approaches that we as Niue teachers and the community leaders out there can utilize to take our Wangahau Niue language forward. I'm very blessed to have, you know, the likes of John, you know, utilizing different forms of and different approaches to keep our Wangahau Niue language alive. You know, let's all work together. Let's all nurture and help make our Wangahau Niue flourish, so everyone can enjoy and utilize it in years to come. Many generations ahead. Whakaue lahi!
Whakalawhai atu everyone. We're here at the Formosa Ridges and Beachlands, and so far it's been really amazing listening to everyone share ideas around how we can help build up our Wangahau Niue in New Zealand. So we've got a whole group of educators, but we've also got people from the community too who's
What's up guys, I'm back for day 2. This place is flash. Day 2 of the class. Yep, day 1 was awesome. Learned a lot. Just found out it was aimed towards teachers, qualified teachers. So me and my mum aren't a qualified teacher, but we teach in the community. We just have a passion for the language. So that's why we're back. Yeah, I can't wait here to register. Oh, favorite part of the day?
David, ko David ha. Whakalawha atu vita, koe kai nana e he kai mitaki. Ko kai na kai a kai?
Yep, home panel.
A panel.
Yeah. Mum had a lot to say, as she does, because she's a matua now. Can't question her. Good spending time with Wilma and Sandy. Yeah, long at all information. So it's good to eat some food now. Yeah, and check this out. My mum was gifted this book.
Nice where the light, Sandy, the light is not good. The lighting is not good.
And the hour or 2 hours to finish. They either have a breakdown. Those are the 2 words I get. Breakdown or breakdown. If you have a breakdown, don't be afraid to ask, stop and ask for directions. Because sometimes we find it really hard to stop if you have a breakdown and ask questions. And they all like
Dr. Niue Williams. And our beautiful princess Rosa Jackson. Hello. We talk about, there's only so many of us and we need to clone a few people to be able to do the work. But here's our clone sitting right here. Our amazing project manager, the ever so humble Patrick Lino. Patrick is the legwork, Patrick is the brains, Patrick is the calming influence when we all go, and he's like, just bring it all back. And not forgetting Sir Colin Tukuitonga.
And especially opening our minds of seeing the vision where we go. Psalm 133 says, Koe mena mitaki lahi, we fufu wala, ke nofo whakataha, e tau maka kai nā.
E lawe aki, mo whiaki aki e koe, e hā mautoro a tau nanga nei. Lotu matana ki a lautoro nuka haisi ai, mo taki ai.
What do you guys think of the day?
Awesome. Thank you to Niue Trust and the Halamaka. Beautiful day. 2 days. Great.
Yeah, thank you for the accommodation,
yeah,
the food and the presentations. And Mum presented as well.
Thank you. Awesome.
Thank you, Patrick, Carissa, Rosa.
Well, where are you going to take this info now? How are you going to use it?
We have to go home and think about it.
Yes. No. There's a lot of things that we're inspired to do. Hey, lots of things that inspired. Let's have a makaheke whono how we inspired to come up with ideas.
Got Carl.
Oh, yes.
Done it once or twice. Hello everybody, welcome. Follow this guy. The what? The Niue bodybuilder. The Niue bodybuilder on YouTube. Let's go. And thelongoniue.com. Let's go. This guy. And I don't know what my one is yet.
It's actually Whakalawatamako.
Okay, none. Yeah, the boys. Alright. See Maria? On the best day?
Yeah, likewise.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, see. I said goodbye to you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, we'll see. Yeah. Oh, see. Hey, there's Ella, one of the teachers from Rowandale. Whakalawhatu. She's a bilingual teacher. Woohoo! Yeah. How'd you find it?
Really resourceful.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was nice to be in that network to, touch base with everyone.
Yeah.
See what everyone's experts in there.
Yeah.
What about you?
Man, just learned a lot. I have to process it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Process.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, have a good day. Yeah. Go ahead. All right. Awesome day. Learned a lot. Yeah, like what I just said to Ela, man. So, just gonna process that. Go home and see what we're doing. Man, people coming in golf carts now. That's how flash this thing is. Whew. Yeah, you see that? Flash. So, going home now.